Imagine Anu standing alone at the edge of eternity, the moment before creation itself, when he alone embodied the infinite sky stretching above nothingness. No earth below, no gods beside him, just pure, boundless consciousness suspended in void. In that solitary vastness, he held everything that would ever be. That same endless sky still stretches above you tonight. The ancients knew something we've forgotten, that gazing upward connects us to the source of all things. Today we explore Anu, the primordial sky god whose legacy shaped how civilizations understood power, origin, and our place in the cosmos. Let's begin.
In our modern world, we often seek meaning in the vastness above us, the endless sky that inspires wonder and reflection. The figure of Anu, the ancient Mesopotamian sky god, connects us across millennia to that same awe. Anu, known in Sumerian as An, and in later Akkadian and Babylonian myths as Anu, embodies the heavens themselves, limitless, eternal, and transcendent. His story is one of cosmic authority, the bridge between divine realms and humanity, and a reminder of the balance between power and distance in leadership. The origin of Anu takes us to the dawn of civilization in Mesopotamia around 3000 BCE, where the Sumerians first revered him as the great personification of the sky. Imagine the vast cerulean dome above the alluvial plains between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, a ceiling stretching beyond sight, shimmering with stars. Anu was not just a figure, but the very essence of that sky, embodying strength, fertility, and order. In early depictions, Anu was envisioned as a mighty bull, symbolizing raw, primal power and the fecundity of the heavens blessing the earth below. This great bull form would soon evolve into the bull of heaven, a distinct figure associated with divine strength and royal authority, later unleashed by the goddess Inanna in legendary epics against mighty heroes like Gilgamesh. Anu's cosmic role was foundational yet paradoxically remote. He and his sister consort Ki, the earth, birthed the pantheon's most crucial deities, Enlil of the air and Enki of water, establishing a divine family that shaped natural phenomena and human destiny. This divine structure mirrors our understanding of interconnected systems, where the sky, earth, air, and water remain distinct yet unified in sustaining life. However, rather than wielding active involvement in human affairs, Anu dwelled in the highest heavens, overseeing the grand pattern without micromanaging its details. This cosmic detachment is starkly illustrated in the Babylonian Enuma Elish creation epic. Amidst the chaos engulfing the cosmos, the fierce goddess Tiamat rises as a monstrous threat. Anu, part of the eldest divine generation, is called upon to face her, but withdraws in fear, ceding the battle to the younger god Marduk. This story marks a shift in divine authority, from Anu's theoretical kingship and primordial strength to the dynamic rule of Marduk, who brings order from chaos through decisive action. It reflects an ancient understanding that authority, while born in tradition, must eventually be assumed by those who act decisively within the changing world. Beyond cosmic conflict, Anu's legacy imbues many aspects of Mesopotamian life and belief. He is revered as the grand progenitor not only of the gods, but also of demons such as Lamashtu and humanity itself. Humans were fashioned from the blood of Kingu, Tiamat's consort, under Marduk's orchestration. Yet Anu's role as the ultimate origin underscores his position as the wellspring of existence. He dispenses divine authority to kings, exemplified in legends, legitimizing rulers like Sargon of Akkad, thus linking earthly power to heavenly sanction through Anu's decree. In myths like that of the sage Adapa, Anu tests wisdom and fate, serving as judge of human destiny while remaining aloof from direct intervention. The cult of Anu was centered in the sacred city of Uruk, one of Mesopotamia's oldest urban centers. Though his worship waned in prominence as younger gods rose to favor, Anu's reverence saw revivals, including during the 5th century BCE, highlighting a persistent cultural emphasis on cosmic order and divine hierarchy. His figure symbolizes the enduring tension between power and restraint, invoking respect for structure without demanding constant presence or upheaval. To modern readers and seekers, Anu's narrative offers several timeless teachings. First, it stresses the importance of recognizing the systems and orders that operate beyond immediate perception, whether cosmic, social, or personal. Just as Anu rules the highest heaven yet remains apart, sometimes the greatest strength lies in overseeing wisely instead of intervening impulsively. Second, the transition of authority from Anu to Marduk reminds us that leadership requires more than heritage. It demands courage and action in the face of chaos. And third, Anu's role as creator and judge invites reflection on the origins and limits of power, balancing judgment with benevolence from afar. In a world often overwhelmed by noise and sensation, Anu's figure encourages looking upward and inward, respecting the majestic unknown while honoring the responsibilities laid down by past generations. His story invites us to embrace a broader perspective of existence, to understand our place in grander schemes, and to cultivate the courage to act within the spheres we can influence. A golden throne set atop swirling celestial clouds where Anu reigns, crowned with rays of the morning sun, surveying the heavens with tranquil majesty. The cosmic bull, symbol of Anu's primal power, standing tall on ancient plains beneath a star-studded sky, glowing with the light of distant galaxies. The divine assembly of Enlil, Enki, and Ki emerging beneath the vast blue arc of Anu's eternal sky, each deity radiating elemental force and sacred purpose. The highest heaven shimmering with cosmic energy as Anu, radiant and serene, bestows divine authority to a mortal king, bridging earth and sky through timeless decree.
Anu teaches us something our crowded world desperately needs, that sovereignty isn't about control, but about holding space. He was supreme not because he fought for dominion, but because he embodied the vastness itself, the container that allows everything else to exist. This week, stop trying to orchestrate every outcome. Instead, become the sky in your own life. Notice what wants to unfold when you stop grasping. Notice who rises up to meet you when you simply hold space rather than fill it. That's where your actual power lives. Not in the noise, but in the opening. If this mythology is speaking to you, subscribe so we can journey deeper into these ancient voices together. Stay rooted in the wisdom of the ages.